Upgrades to the City of Rockville's water treatment plant have begun to ensure that the city both meets EPA requirements and continues to provide a high-quality water service.
Basically, the upgrades can be described in terms of three smaller projects within the larger project. The first one is a ferric chloride feed system, which is the use of a different coagulant for the water treatment process. And as part of that upgrade, we need to add more chemical storage. And then once we change this coagulant process, we are going to end up with more solids. So a second project within this bigger project is to install a 57-foot diameter gravity thickener that will be able to process the additional solids. And then there will be an air scour project where we will improve the efficiency of the filtration process.
I would like the residents to know that the City of Rockville takes our job very seriously where it concerns water quality. We strive to have water that meets and beats the regulations that are put on us by MDE and EPA.
The upgrades are required to comply with an EPA rule that addresses byproducts created when disinfectants react with naturally occurring organic compounds in water.
Well, basically, these upgrades are being driven by the U.S. EPA requirements to minimize disinfection byproducts in the water. So basically, organics that are in the water itself will react with chlorine that we do need to add to the water. And then in the distribution system, these disinfection byproducts are formed. So we need to minimize them. So that's why we're going to use a different kind of coagulant that will help take out the organics in the water so that there aren't as many organics in there for the chlorine to react with to create these disinfection byproducts. So we are currently under a consent agreement with the EPA and the Maryland Department of the Environment to get this project done, and the date is by October 2015. So assuming that everything goes as planned with the construction being done by early June or in the early summer of 2015, we should be in great shape.
When the goals change, meaning the water quality regulations get more strict, we have to adjust. And not always can we make those adjustments just through operations. We sometimes have to build new infrastructure, bring in new technology, install new equipment in order to target those constituents that we're trying to remove. And so this project does just that.
Once the updates are complete in 2015, residents should not notice a difference in the taste of their drinking water. For more information on this project, go to rockvillemd.gov and search water treatment plant.